You might run into this problem from time to time. Here I am in Inkscape, and I have a vector of a guy here, but he's really just a bunch of little black nodes. There's no white inside the design. So what I want to do is fill this guy, like his finger, his face, the tie. I want to fill all these pieces with white. How can I do that? I'm going to show you a couple methods. So I'm going to use Photopea in this first example, but you could use Photoshop or any sort of graphics design software. I'm going to import my image here by going up to File and Open in Place. Okay, and we can see here now, as I make this image larger, there's no white inside. It's just a completely clear image. So one thing you can do is add in a layer here on the right-hand side. I'm going to click the little Add a New Layer button, and I'm going to make this whole layer white. So I'm going to make sure that my color palette is set to white. I'm going to click OK. And then I'm going to go here to the Paint Bucket tool, and I'm going to fill that layer in with white. So now I've got two layers. I've got a person that's on the top layer, and then I have a layer of white underneath. And what I want to do now is select both those layers by holding down the Shift key. I'm going to right click, and I'm going to go to Merge Layers. What that's going to do now is merge those two layers together so I only have the guy and the white all on the same layer. I can now go to my eraser tool and I can click on Magic Eraser, and I can now click on the actual white and I can remove the background, but it's going to keep the white in most of the image. Now, if the image is opened, like for example, you'll see here the thumb is clear because there was a little break somewhere along the line and it's removed the white. But for most of the image, it is white. So I'm going to go zoom in, view, zoom in, and I'm going to actually fix this. So I'm going to create a new layer. I'm going to make the layer go underneath our guy. I'm now going to go to the brush tool. I'm going to make sure I've got a good sized brush here. My hardness is 100%. And now I'm going to simply go into where the thumb is, and I'm going to start painting white. Now you'll notice it looks like I'm painting the thumb, but really I'm painting the layer underneath. I'm not painting the actual layer that has the guy. I'm painting underneath the guy. Now I'll go zoom, zoom out. He looks totally normal. And I'm going to select both those layers by holding down the Shift key, right click, and I'll click Merge Layers. And we've now got a guy that has actual white in there instead of just a black vector. I hope you found this quick walkthrough helpful. I used Photopea in this version, but you could use any graphics design software like Photoshop, for example. Here's another way you can have some fun in the world of graphic design.